Not too long ago, we found ourselves in the middle of a creative breakthrough. We were editing videos for some of the biggest names on the internet, creators whose content was reaching millions, but something kept coming up over and over again. Our clients were obsessed with one particular style. They kept referencing the same creator, Iman Gadzhi. That's when we knew we had to break it down. What makes Iman's videos so powerful? Why do they resonate so deeply? And how can you apply the same principles to elevate your own content? Today, we are diving deep into the powerhouse that is Iman Gadzhi, because understanding his rise and the strategy behind his content isn't just interesting. It can change the way you approach video creation and personal branding forever. So, let's unpack the secret sauce behind his success. Let's talk about storytelling, the secret weapon that separates good creators from unforgettable ones. Iman Gadzhi is a master of this craft, and it all starts with the first 10 seconds of his videos. Think about it. You are scrolling through YouTube, half paying attention, when a voice stops you in your tracks. This is the one thing they don't teach you in school, and it's costing you your future, Iman says. Suddenly, you are intrigued. What's the one thing? Why doesn't anyone teach it? And how is it affecting your life? That's the power of a great hook. It's not just about grabbing attention, it's about stirring curiosity. Iman's openings are designed to make you pause, lean in, and think, I need to hear more. The takeaway? Your first 10 seconds are most valuable real estate. Use them wisely. Start with a question, a story, or a surprising fact that speaks directly to your audience's pain points or aspirations. Make them feel like you are talking to them and only them. Now, let's talk visuals. If there is one thing to learn from Iman's editing style, it's the simplicity wins. His videos aren't packed with flashy effects or over-the-top transitions. Instead, they are sleek, purposeful, and completely in service of the story he's telling. Picture this. You are watching one of Iman's videos. The opening shot is a clean, well-framed close-up of him speaking directly to the camera. There is no distraction. Just him, his message, and a quiet sense of confidence. As he makes a powerful point, the screen subtly shifts to a piece of B-roll, a bustling cityscape, a hand scribbling on a notepad, or a clip of him working at his desk. It's not random, it's intentional, perfectly complementing his words without stealing the spotlight. What makes his visuals stand out is their clarity. His transitions are smooth, his text overlays are clean, and every cut feels deliberate. For example, instead of bombarding the viewer with complex effects, he uses a simple fade or swipe to transition between shots. This creates a sense of flow that keeps you engaged without feeling overwhelmed. The takeaway? Less is often more. Focus on sharp, relevant visuals that enhance your message. Choose transitions that feel seamless and text that adds value. When your visuals are clear and intentional, your audience won't just watch, they will stay invested, frame by frame. Here is the truth. The content that sticks with us, the stories we revisit, and the creators we trust all share one thing in common. They make us feel. Iman Gadzhi's videos are a masterclass in this, whether he's sharing a moment of triumph or dishing out some tough love. His content is deeply human. Take one of his videos where he talks about building his business from scratch. He doesn't just list strategies or flaunt success. He takes you back to his early days. He paints a picture of late nights, moments of doubt, and the relentless hustle. You can almost feel the weight of his sacrifices, the tensions of uncertainty, and finally, the pride in his voice when he talks about his achievements. Iman isn't afraid to show his audience who he truly is. There is no facade, no attempt to appear perfect, and that's exactly why people trust him. So, the next time you create, remember, trust is the foundation of any lasting connection. Iman Gadzhi didn't become a household name overnight. His success is the result of relentless consistency. He shows up week after week with content that it's valuable. Consistency isn't just about posting on a schedule. It's about building trust. It's about creating a rhythm that your audience can rely on. Whether it's a new video every Tuesday or a monthly deep dive into a trending topic, consistency is what turns casual viewers into loyal fans. So, if you are serious about growing your platform, commit to showing up, not just when it's easy, but especially when it's hard. Because in a world full of noise, consistency is what makes you stand out. And there you have it. The secrets behind Iman Gadzhi's viral success. These strategies aren't just for YouTube stars, they are for anyone who wants to create content that matters. So, what's your next move? How will you use these lessons to captivate your audience and leave your mark? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights like this. See you in the next one.